It is Mad Science Mondays, Friday edition. We got the 3 big F's for you today. Number 1, Friday, forces of flight. So let's go ahead and finish that up this week. Professor Matt and Professor Miles.
Hey, this airplane is like really cool, but what do all these stickers mean?
Oh, that's really cool. You know, I'm really glad you asked, because we got stickers on here, and most of them mean something. Of course, you got the pilots up here, and then you've got the Mad Science sticker back there. But there are actually parts of the plane. So you've got these 2 with the arrows on the back. See right here? Right there on the back.
Oh yeah, aren't those called the elevators?
Elevators, exactly. And what the elevators do, they control the pitch. So as the pilot moves the elevators up or down, it'll move the plane up or down as the air flows across them like that. And then right here, this red and white stripe
That's
one,
called the rudder.
The rudder, exactly. Just like the rudder on a boat, if we turn the rudder this way, then it's going to make the plane go that way. If we turn the rudder that way, it's going to make the plane go that way. And that's called yaw, Y-A-W, the yaw, where it turns left to right. And then you've got these things right here. See, right
and they're
there.
called the ailerons?
Ailerons, exactly. And the ailerons control what we call roll. So an airplane, unlike a boat, an airplane can turn this way and then turn back up. If a boat does that, it's probably going to go all the way over.
Yeah,
okay? Yeah.
Funny.
So that's the different parts of the plane. Yeah.
Oh.
Okay. Yeah. And if you notice, this one's green and this one's red, and that's for a reason.
Why is that?
Okay, because the red's always going to be on the port side. The green's always going to be on the starboard side. And that way, if you see a red and a green light next to each other, then you can tell whether it's moving towards you or away from you, even if you can't normally tell, just based on which side the light's on.
Oh.
Like, for example, if this airplane's flying at night and it sees a red and green light in front of it, it knows that the plane's moving away. But if it sees a green and then a red, it knows that the plane's probably moving towards it and needs to be a little bit more careful. Okay? So we talked about that. Now let's make some planes, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, right there you've got what I like. Oh, first of all, let's make a helicopter, okay?
Wait, we can make a paper helicopter?
Paper helicopter, okay? I've got a piece of paper here, okay? And I'll tell you how to do this at home. Take a small piece of paper, like a thin one like this, fold it in half, just like that, okay? And then draw a line where you folded it, and then fold it in half this way, okay? And then draw a line halfway up where you folded it there. Now I'm going to cut along what for me is that dotted line, and for you it would be the second fold at home, okay? Okay, so now we've got that, and then down towards, so you've got half of it there, and then you've got another half, so fold that in half again, all right? And then unfold it, and then you want to make a cut about a third of the way, and then a third of the way again, okay? Now this is going to be the base of the helicopter, there, okay?
Okay.
And this is going to be my helicopter wings or blades that we call in a helicopter. If you look and see what Jeremy has right here, so he's got this helicopter blade. Okay, now what I want you to do is hold that right there.
Yes.
And I want you to hold it as high above your head as you can. And you can see, as we let it go, it kind of spins around, just like that. Okay? So that makes that helicopter. If you do it from a higher level, and we can't do it because of the shot here on TV, okay?
Yes.
If you do it from a higher level, it'll work better. Now,
okay.
We're going to make what we call the Delta Dart. Let's put this out of the way. And the way you make that is just take it, okay, fold it in half like this. Okay? So we're going to fold it in half. And then we're just going to open it back up and fold these down. And then fold this one down here like this. And then I'm folding it again. Now, I've got my basic there. I've got my basic form. And I'm going to fold it more. So there we go. There once, and then one more time. And this plane is long and sleek and ready to go fast and far. So there you go. Go ahead and give that a whirl. See if you can throw it right there at the camera. Okay? And there we go. And you can see it flew off to the side because I didn't have that rudder quite done right. Okay? So I've got one more to show you, and this is going to be really cool. Okay? So what I'm going to do is fold this over.
Got it.
All right? And then I'm going to fold this down about a third. Okay? And then I'm going to fold this here and here. So I got a little bit more weight at the front, making it shorter. And then I'm going to fold this over again. All right.
That is a lot
Folding
of weight
it like this, and then there, and then there. And this one is made more to be, I'm going to put a little bit up here and a little bit up here. Now this one is made more, oh, sorry, got one more thing. Take a little cuts here because I want to put some elevators in the back here. Okay, and this one is made to fly high and slow, and it's going to show how a plane can just fly that way. Okay, take that, give it a little throw, and you see it went up and then right back down, and that showed, go ahead again.
I'm trying to get this.
There we go.
There you go.
And what that did is wide and slow, it stays aloft, it shows lift and it shows drag. So that's what we have for you, the parts of the plane, how they work, 2 planes that you can make for you, even
And
a little
a helicopter.
helicopter. And that's what we have for you today. Pretty cool, huh?